What if I told you that most traders are blind to 90% of the market data that could make or break their trades? While everyone's staring at candlesticks, the smart money is watching something completely different. Before we dive in, quick heads up. This video is sponsored by Big Beluga, but I'm genuinely excited to show you this because it completely changed how I read market sentiment. Hey everyone, today we're starting a three-part series on Big Beluga's Sonar Chrome extension that gives you institutional-level market data right in your browser. Part 1 covers the order book, Part 2 will explore their long-short ratio tool, and Part 3 dives into their AI assistant. Here's why we're starting with the order book. It reveals where the big players are positioning their money before price even gets there. Think of it as having a backstage pass to see what the market makers are really doing. First, let's get this installed. You can either go to the Big Beluga website or open the Chrome Web Store and search for the Sonar extension. I'll drop both links in the description below. One-click install, straightforward process. Once installed, you'll see the Big Beluga icon in your toolbar. Now, we'll be using this extension on a TradingView chart, so first we need to open our TradingView account and load up a chart for the extension to work. Click the Big Beluga icon, and you've got access to 3 powerful tools. Today we're focusing on this order book feature. Alright, let me show you what we're actually looking at here. This isn't just random numbers. This is a live map of every single buy and sell order in the market. On the left side, we have bids. These are all the buyers waiting in line. The green area shows you exactly how much volume wants to buy at each price level. On the right, we have asks, all the sellers and their volumes. Look at this right here. At this price level, we've got a significant amount of buy orders. That's what we call a wall. Think of it like a floor. When price drops toward it, there's a strong chance it bounces. And up here at this higher level, there's a sell wall with substantial volume. That acts like a ceiling. Price often struggles to break above these levels. See this cumulative chart at the top? This tells you the market's true intentions. When it's heavily sloped to one side, you're seeing genuine market bias in real time. So how do we actually trade with this information? Step 1. Identify major buy or sell walls in the order book. Step 2. Watch price approach these levels. Step 3. If price hits the wall but shows rejection instead of breaking through, that's your setup. For example, with that buy wall we just saw, if price drops close to that level and starts showing rejection signals, we might consider going long with our stop just below the wall. Our target would be the next resistance cluster above. But here's the crucial part. Walls can vanish faster than a beginner's trading account during their first year. Sometimes they're fake orders meant to manipulate sentiment. That's why we never rely on the order book alone and always wait for price confirmation. The real power comes when you combine this with your technical analysis. When a key support level on your chart aligns with a major buy wall in the order book, that's when you've got serious confluence working in your favor. Zoom levels matter. You can adjust the depth to see the bigger picture or zoom in for precise scalping setups. Asymmetrical order books tell stories. Heavy bid side means bulls are accumulating. Heavy ask side suggests bears are ready to distribute. While this works across different time frames, we find it most immediately actionable for intraday trading, where these liquidity levels tend to have more direct and immediate impact on price movements. Look, having access to real-time order book data used to require institutional-level subscriptions with hefty monthly fees. Big Beluga makes this accessible. It's free to install and you get credits to start with, so you can test it out and see if it works for you. I guess you'll be surprised how much this shifts your perspective on price movements. This is just part 1 of our Big Beluga series. Part 2 covers their long-short ratio tool, which reveals exactly how leveraged traders are positioned. We think it's weird to ask people to like, subscribe, bell, and all that stuff. But you know, it helps our channel.